Hi, this is James here, and in this video we will be talking about sectional drawing of our RAG161. So there are three parts in the video. First will be the introductions of drawing tools, secondly will be the types of hatching, and lastly will be my drawing process. So let's start.
First, you need a smooth surface to draw. T-ruler acts as a guide to draw long and straight horizontal lines. Next, we have pencils of different grades to draw lines with different line weights. These are set square. They can draw lines of 30, 45 and 60 degrees. By combining them, we can draw different angles too. This is protractor where we can draw lines at all angles. Next, we have scale ruler with scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 15 and so on. This is a scale of 1 to 20 with 1 as 1000 millimeters, each with 100 millimeters. Let's try to draw this block with scale of 1 to 20 and 1 to 10 to see the difference. These are four types of hatching, which are concrete, timber, sand, and earth.
So these are all about my video. Thank you for watching.